In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-respond to Facebook Marketplace inquiries using ManyChat. Setting up automatic responses can save you loads of time and keep your potential buyers engaged even when you can't reply immediately. First, head over to the ManyChat website. If you're new to this platform, click Get Started to initiate the setup process. This tool will be your best friend in navigating automated communications seamlessly. Once you're on the website, find the option to continue with Facebook Messenger. It's crucial to integrate your Facebook account as it will allow interaction with your marketplace inquiries. Click Continue with Facebook to authorize the connection. Don't worry, ManyChat will walk you through each of these steps. Then, be sure to confirm your email address. You'll receive a code in your inbox, so check that and enter it carefully to proceed. This ensures you're linked to the right account and won't face setbacks later. Next, connect to the page you wish to manage. Click Connect to your page to confirm which Facebook page should reflect this integration. This step is essential. It aligns ManyChat with your specific marketplace operations. When prompted, select the option For Myself, followed by Next, and choose A Business. These selections reflect the setup we're aiming to achieve, a streamlined, business-specific feature. As you go through the setup, click on E-commerce, online store, and then selling products or services. This selection dictates the nature of the automatic responses, fitting perfectly with your e-commerce and marketplace needs. Proceed by selecting Send Order Updates and Confirmations, ensuring every transactional interaction is smooth. Moving forward, click on Social Media Scheduling and Management, as this option trains your ManyChat to handle various inquiries efficiently. To start this journey, opt for the free plan. ManyChat offers numerous features even without a subscription, making it accessible for startups and small enterprises. Now click on Let's Start. This action finalizes your setup and launches the ManyChat dashboard where you'll manage your automations. Navigate to the Automation tab. This is your control room for setting up auto responses. You'll want to create a new automation, so click on New Automation. Once there, type Messenger into the search bar to find suitable templates. Select Automate Facebook ad leads in Messenger to leverage more contacts and increase sales potential. Click Setup Template, and you're all set to customize the flow to suit your communication style and branding. And there you have it. You've successfully set ManyChat to auto-respond to inquiries, saving you time while maintaining communication fluidity. Keep an eye on how your audience interacts with these automations. You may need to make adjustments to improve engagement further. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.